Let's just accept that the market research and product analysis for a small or a large-scale business purchase is a Herculean task. Pretty sure you also had a moment when you gave up on the hope of finding that perfect product even after a long haul of hopping websites. We feel you and are here to rescue you from the futility of painful product research. Today, we present to you the most comprehensive list of best cordless screwdrivers present in the deep dynamic mini machinery market. Number 1. DEWALT 8V Max Cordless Screwdriver Kit. The DEWALT 8V Max boasts of a Mega 8V battery that is sure to test the endurance of its driver. But wait, there's more to DEWALT 8V Max that meets the eye. It comes with variable speed and direction control to enhance efficiency in its various applications. This motion-activated sensor ensures a rotation bracket of 0 to 430 RPM as well as reverse motion control for fastening into wood, hard plastic and light gauge metals. What may meet your eye is the robust design of DEWALT 8V Max, which supports the inline grip and the popular pistol grip to suit your operational convenience. And did we mention gyroscope, a 45 pieces kit bit and an inbuilt double LED light yet? Number 2. BLACK+DECKER 4V Max Cordless Screwdriver with LED light. BLACK+DECKER 4V Max is a precious gem for any toolkit. It works both as a capable screwdriver as well as a bright flashlight. BLACK+DECKER goes one step ahead and offers 3 adjustable position handles to get the best out of your manual efforts. BLACK+DECKER is a lightweight, elegantly built screwdriver and comes with a reliable battery of 4V. Number 3. NoCry 10nm Cordless Electric Screwdriver. Yes, you heard it right. NoCry ensures that you won't have to shed a single tear over incompetent performance as a user of this product. NoCry goes the extra mile by offering a 4-year limited warranty. It comes with a powerful 7.2V battery and a precise battery level indicator. A 5+1 torque setup and rotation potential of 230 RPM makes it easier to utilize the power of 7.2V battery for a variety of purposes. The final selling cost of NoCry 10nm includes a 31 screw bit kit as well as an inbuilt flashlight. Complete package, power pack performance, NoCry, right? Number 4. Avid Power 20V Max Lithium-ion Cordless Drill. If heavy usage is your intent, then Giga battery is what you should desire, and Avid Power 20V Max is one of the best bets. It comes with a multifunctional battery pack of 20V with USB compatible for phone charging and battery indicator. The 15+1 torque setup ensures an error-free operation with amazing control over delicate micro drillings. Another striking feature of Avid Power 20V Max is its superior rotation motor capable of producing 550 RPM combined with smart electric brakes. Sealed package includes a set of 10 pieces drill bits, 10 pieces driver bits, along with an inbuilt flashlight to light up the dark, accident-prone, intricate areas of a drill. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Cordless Screwdriver. Another variant from BLACK+DECKER which is on the lighter, portable and user-friendly side. It can easily be switched to manual mode for smarter operation. All you need is 2 AA batteries to run this cutesy machine, and this should take care of most generic everyday fixings like curtain rods, hangers and installing light switches. Number 6. Bosch Power Tools Combo Kit. Anything that comes out of Bosch Labs is bound to leave an impression on you. Bosch Power Tools Combo Kit CLPK 22 to 120 is yet another finesse with excellent add-on features. Assembly of Bosch CLPK22-120 is such that the compact head helps drilling in narrow spaces and the sturdy grip ensures control over a powerful 12-volt battery which rotates the motor at a whopping 2600 RPM. Bosch Power Tools Combo Kit includes 2 batteries, an impact driver, a drill driver, a turbo battery charger safely packed in a professional carry bag. Bosch is boss. Trust us. Number 7. Bosch IXO 3.6 volt mini cordless electric screwdriver drill with charger. Meet the Mini Cooper among all cordless screwdrivers. Powerful, portable, compact and charismatic looks. Empowered with Bosch engineering, IXO 3.6 volt mini can consistently produce 4 Nm torque and can clock 180 RPM with error-free operational control. It comes with an efficient 3.6 volt battery and a charger. It is so handsome that you can even purchase it as a decor item. Number 8. BLACK+DECKER A7073 battery-powered screwdriver. Another BLACK+DECKER product to have found a spot in our top 10 list is A7073. This full-size yet lightweight inline handle orange beauty is one of the best sellers from BLACK+DECKER screwdriver family. Powered with 4 alkaline batteries worth 6 volts power, capable to produce 2.9 Nm torque and 130 RPM rotation speed. It comes with an easy motion reversal switch for easy drilling and screw removal. Number 9. General Tools 500 Precision Cordless Electric Screwdriver. Ironically, General Tools 500 Precision Electric Screwdriver is designed to smartly handle special purpose drilling. 6 micro precision bits makes it an ideal choice for tiny screws fitting in tight narrow spaces like electronic repairs, computers, toys and semi-electric crafts. Equipped with 2 AAA alkaline batteries capable of producing more than 100 RPM makes it a must for your tool cabinet for delicate repairs. Number 10. TECCPO Cordless Screwdriver. Do you have a techie friend who loves to work with tools and mini machines? Well, TECCPO has proven itself to be an impressive gift for such techies. It comes with a massive 2000 mAh battery, a wide range of 45 pieces add-on accessories with an inbuilt flashlight. These 45 pieces can be integrated with 9+1 torque gear set up to produce a super torque of 6 Nm for a variety of applications. Let's just say this is the complete package every technophile loves to own. Our success lies in helping you make an informed decision. This is why we presented to you a list so well researched and curated that it will end your dilemmas regarding a product purchase once and for all. Stay tuned, our research labs are compiling more content to help you make a smart and worthy investment for your professional progress.